Hi children, very good morning and happy Thursday to you all. Welcome to your EVS class children. This is your awareness skill book and this you have to open page number 33. So page number 33. So in the previous classes we have learned different parts of a tree and different trees. And before starting this vegetable topic, let's move on to this worksheet children. So here the heading is match the products we make from different parts of a tree. So yeah, they given a picture of a products which we should match them to the different. So we should match these products so from different parts of a tree. By what we will make these products? So by using this different parts of the trees we will make these products. So we should match to the correct thing children. Got it? So here what they have given, it's a t-shirt. What is this? It's a t-shirt. By what we will make a t-shirts? By cotton, isn't it children? It is a cotton t-shirt. So we'll make a t-shirt by the cotton. So we have to match this to the this dot. Got it? You have to match from this dot to this dot. Okay children. And what is this? It is a table. What is this children? It is a table. We make table by wood. Isn't it children? These are some logs of a log of wood children. So ದಿಂಬುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮರದ್ದು ದಿಂಡುಗಳು ಅಂತೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. So these are all the logs of a wood children. So we cut it and we will make the things what we need from the wood. So this is a table. We will make this by the logs of the wood, isn't it children? Next, what is this? It is a bread. What is this children? It is a bread. So this is a bread which made by wheat, means godi. So this is a bread which is made by wheat. So here you can see a grains of a wheat, isn't it children? These are the grains of the wheat. Bread is made by the grains of the wheat. So you have to match from here to here. Okay, what is this children? It's a tire. Tire is made up of the gum children. So the gum we get from the trees, isn't it? So when it comes to Kerala and another some places, so we will get a huge amount. There we can see a rubber trees children, rubber plants we will say rubber trees. So there like a tea plantation in Kerala, and in some places they have a rubber trees plantation children, and also in the places like Assam and all, they have a rubber trees forest and rubber trees plantations. So there they will get a huge amount of rubber by these trees children. Here you can see a mark on the tree. So there will be some slope and they will keep one bowl, and in the form of droplets, rubber will be collected to the bowl children. Here you can see the rubber, white color is a rubber which is collected by the tree. So we will make the eraser, tires, rubbers and all. So by this gum only children, we can say it has a rubber only. So it is made by the product which is collected by the tree children. Okay, the tires are made by the rubber. Okay, it comes from the tree. And what is this children? These are the medicines. What is this? Medicines. Here you can see tablets, isn't it? Yes, these are made by some medicinal plants like neem, tulsi, etc. And also you can take you can think mango leaf and all. So especially neem is a medicinal plant. Most of the medicines are made by neem leaf only. So tablets and medicines are made by the neem leaves. So for once again I will explain you children. T-shirt is made by cotton. Table is made by wood. Bread is made by wheat grains. Tires are made by gum which is collected by the tree, or you can say rubber. Okay, these medicines came from the medicinal tree leaves like neem. Okay, got it, children? Okay, let's move on to the today's topic, children. What is this? Today's topic is vegetables. So here what they have given here, write the names of these. See, the is these. Ragalibeku common vegetables from the help box. Okay, once again write the names. So you have to write the names here. Got it? You have to write the names here of these common vegetables. These are all the common vegetables. Common means which we use regularly or which we use daily. It's called a common vegetables from the help box. Here they given the names of the vegetables in the help box. We have to read this word and we have to select the picture and then we have to write. Okay, children, let's read. What is this? On, knee, on. Onion. What is this? On, knee, on. Onion. All short sounds. Where is the onion? Here you can see the onion. Here you have to write, children. So I can't write because it's a textbook. You can write in a notebook. What is this? Carrot. Carrot. Okay. So what is this? Carrot. So here you can see carrot. Okay. Got it, children? Who has a long sound? Circle it. Okay. So what is this? Beetroot. What is this? Beetroot. Where is the beetroot? Here you can see the beetroot, children. So you have to write beetroot. What is this? Cabbage. A has a long sound. Cross E and circle A. Got it, children? Circle A. Cabbage. A has a long sound. You got it? Cabbage. Where is cabbage? Here only you have cabbage. So write cabbage here. What is this? Cauliflower. 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 See? See, cross E. Cross U. So, children, you can see here. Yes, you have to cross U. U is silent here. So, you have to say cauliflower. What is this? Cauliflower. Or you can say flower. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Here E is silent, children, so that only you should not stress and say here flower anta helbardu, just flower, that's all, flower. So cauliflower, got it? So U is silent and E is silent here. And then broccoli. What is this? Broccoli. Broccoli, got it? Broccoli. All short sounds, nothing to worry. Sorry, children, I forgotten to name the cauliflower. So what is this? Cauliflower. Where is the cauliflower? Here you have the cauliflower. You can see this is a cauliflower. And where is broccoli? Where is broccoli? Here you can see a green broccoli. It will be like a cauliflower only, but it will be up the flower will be in the green color, children. So it is broccoli. What is this? Spinach. See, I is a long sound. So I will circle I. Spinach. Got it? So no silent word, silent letters. It is a spinach. Where is a spinach? Here you can see the spinach. This is a spinach. What is this? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Where is the pumpkin? Here you can see a pumpkin, isn't it, children? Where is the eggplant? See, this is EGG, egg, PLANT, plant. Where is the eggplant? So eggplant means brinjal. So this is the eggplant. Let's move on to another page, children. Here you can see, here they have given some of the vegetables. So some vegetables add flavor. Some vegetables add flavor to our food, children. That is mint. Mint, lemon. Okay, lemon. Coriander. All short sounds. See, your O as a long sound. Circle O, children. See, we will say no. Coriander. Coriander. Okay, split it. Cori. Onsali heli. An onsali heli. Der onsali heli. E silent ide. E silent. Cross madi. Cross madili. So, Cori bere. An bere. Der bere. Coriander. Okay, ginger. What is this? Ginger. Sai is silent here, children. Ginger. That's all. Ginger. Next, chilli. Chilli. Okay. Garlic. What is this, children? So some vegetables can be eaten raw. These vegetables can be eaten raw without cooking. Okay. What is this? Cucumber. See? Cucumber. E is silent. Cucumber. What is this? Cucumber. Radish. It's very easy. Radish. This is a radish. What is this? Carrot. What is this? Carrot. O as a long sound, children. You can circle O. Carrot. Next. Tomato. See, O as a long sound. O, we are saying circle O. Tomato. Here also, two O's also have a long sound. Tomato. What is this? Beetroot. And what is this? Cabbage. Got it, children? Children, you have to practice these words and you can send the oral video. And you have to do these worksheets today, children. Bye-bye, children. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.